How to use cloves for toothache relief instantly. Tooth pain can be one of the most uncomfortable and distracting feelings you'll ever experience. It can make it hard to eat, sleep, or even focus on simple daily tasks. But long before modern medicine, people relied on natural remedies to calm dental pain, and one of the most powerful among them is cloves. Cloves are not just a kitchen spice. They are packed with natural compounds that can help reduce pain, fight bacteria, and soothe inflammation. If used correctly, cloves can provide fast, temporary relief while you arrange proper dental care. Let's explore exactly how to use cloves for toothache relief instantly, step by step. First, it's important to understand why cloves work so well. Cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol. Eugenol acts as a mild anesthetic and antiseptic. This means it can numb the area where the pain is coming from, while also helping to control bacteria that may be causing the issue. Now, let's get into the practical methods you can try at home. Method 1. Using whole cloves. This is the simplest and quickest method. Take 1 or 2 whole cloves and place them directly on the painful tooth or gum area. Gently bite down to hold them in place. As you do this, the cloves will release their natural oils. Keep them there for about 10 to 15 minutes. You may start to feel a slight tingling or numbing sensation. That's the eugenol working to dull the pain. If the taste feels too strong, don't worry, that's completely normal. Cloves have a very intense flavor. After some time, you can remove the cloves and rinse your mouth with warm water. Method 2. Crushed clove paste. If you want a stronger effect, crushing the cloves can release more of their active compounds. Take 2 or 3 cloves and crush them into a fine powder. You can use the back of a spoon or a small grinder. Add a few drops of water or a tiny amount of olive oil to form a paste. Apply this paste directly to the affected tooth or gum using clean fingers or a cotton swab. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse gently with warm water. This method is often more effective because the crushed cloves release more eugenol compared to whole cloves. Method 3. Clove oil application. Clove oil is one of the most effective natural remedies for toothache relief. If you have clove oil available, take a cotton ball or cotton swab and add 1 or 2 drops of the oil. Before applying it directly, it's best to dilute it slightly with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. This helps prevent irritation, especially if your gums are sensitive. Gently dab the cotton onto the painful area. Hold it there for a few minutes, allowing the oil to soak into the tooth and surrounding tissue. You should start to feel relief within minutes. Important tip: do not use too much clove oil, as it is very strong and can cause irritation if overused. Method 4. Clove tea rinse. Another gentle way to use cloves is by making a clove rinse. Boil a cup of water and add 4 to 5 whole cloves. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you suddenly develop a toothache at night, if you cannot immediately visit a dentist, if you want to reduce pain while waiting for treatment. However, it's very important to understand that cloves do not cure the underlying problem. Toothaches can be caused by cavities, infections, gum disease, or other dental issues that require professional care. Safety tips: while cloves are natural, you still need to use them carefully. Do not swallow large amounts of clove oil. Avoid using excessive quantities, especially on sensitive gums. If irritation occurs, rinse your mouth immediately with clean water. Do not use on very young children without proper guidance. If your pain is severe, lasts more than a couple of days, or is accompanied by swelling or fever, it's important to see a dentist as soon as possible. Extra tips for faster relief. Along with cloves, here are a few simple things you can do to ease tooth pain. Rinse your mouth with warm salt water. Avoid very hot or very cold foods. Keep the affected area clean. Avoid chewing on the painful side. Combining these habits with clove remedies can help you feel more comfortable until you get proper treatment. Why this remedy still matters today. Even in modern times, cloves remain one of the most trusted natural remedies for tooth pain. In fact, some dental products still use eugenol because of its effectiveness. The beauty of cloves is that they are affordable, easy to find, and simple to use at home. For anyone dealing with sudden tooth discomfort, This natural solution can make a big difference. Final thoughts. Toothache can be frustrating and painful, but you don't always have to suffer while waiting for help. Cloves offer a natural, fast-acting way to reduce pain and calm inflammation. Whether you use whole cloves, clove paste, oil, or a rinse, the key is to apply it carefully and give it time to work. Always remember, this is a temporary solution, not a permanent fix. Your dental health is important, so don't ignore persistent pain. Try these methods today and experience the soothing power of cloves for yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more natural health remedies and simple home solutions that can improve your daily life.